Forget everything you thought you knew about barndominiums. What if I told you that your barndo doesn't have to be a boring rectangle? What if you could wrap your entire home around a private courtyard paradise, creating the ultimate indoor-outdoor living experience? Today, I'm diving into one of the most stunning and underrated barndominium designs out there, the O-shape barndominium. This design is breaking all the traditional rules, and by the end of this video, you might just be convinced that rectangular barndos are officially outdated. If you're serious about building something truly unique, hit that subscribe button right now because we're about to explore a design concept that most people don't even know exists. And stick around to the very end because I'm breaking down real costs, design layouts, and showing you exactly how this works in 2026. What is an O-shape barndominium? Let's start with the basics. When most people think barndominium, they picture a simple rectangular metal building. Maybe 40 by 60, maybe 50 by 80, straight lines, basic footprint, nothing fancy. And don't get me wrong, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that approach. It's cost-effective, it's simple to build, and it works. But here's where things get interesting. An O-shape barndominium completely reimagines what's possible. Instead of building in a straight line, you're creating a horseshoe, or a circular layout that wraps around a central courtyard. Think of it like creating your own private resort, where every room has views and access to a protected outdoor living space. The O-shape can take different forms. You might build a true circular design, which is rare but absolutely stunning. More commonly, you'll see U-shaped layouts that create three wings connected at the corners, or even modified rectangles with strategic cutouts that create courtyard access. The key element is that your living spaces surround and embrace an outdoor area rather than just facing one direction. This design philosophy has been used in luxury home architecture for decades, especially in Mediterranean and Spanish-style homes. But applying it to barndominium construction, that's where innovation meets affordability, and the results are absolutely incredible. Why O-shaped designs break the mold? Here's the thing about traditional rectangular barndominiums. They're efficient, yes, they minimize roofline complexity, yes, but they also put all your views and outdoor access on one or two sides of the building. Your backyard might be beautiful, but half your rooms are looking at the driveway or your neighbor's property. The O-shape flips this completely. By wrapping your home around a central courtyard, you create a private outdoor oasis that's accessible from multiple rooms. Your kitchen opens to it, your master bedroom opens to it, your living room has massive sliding glass doors leading right into it. You've essentially created an outdoor room that's protected, private, and integrated into your daily living. This design creates natural separation between different areas of your home without needing a bunch of hallways. One wing might be your master suite. Another wing holds guest bedrooms. The third wing has your living areas and kitchen. Each section has its own identity, but they're all connected through that central courtyard space. The privacy factor is huge. Because your home wraps around the courtyard, you're not exposed to neighbors or passing traffic. You can have a pool, an outdoor kitchen, a fire pit, gardens, whatever you want, and it's all sheltered within your property's footprint. It's like having your own private resort, design possibilities and layouts. Let's talk about what you can actually do with an O-shaped barndominium, because the possibilities are genuinely exciting. The most common approach is the U-shaped layout, which gives you three connected wings forming a horseshoe. This is more buildable than a true circle and still creates that amazing courtyard effect. Imagine this. Your main wing, let's say 60 feet long, contains your great room, kitchen, and dining area. Floor-to-ceiling windows and sliding doors face the courtyard, flooding the space with natural light. The left wing, maybe 40 feet, holds your master suite with a private covered patio extending into the courtyard. The right wing, also 40 feet, has three guest bedrooms and bathrooms. Now you've got roughly 3,200 square feet of living space wrapped around a courtyard that might be 30 by 40 feet. That courtyard becomes the heart of your home. You can install a pool, create an outdoor kitchen with a pizza oven, add a covered dining area, plant gardens, install a hot tub, whatever matches your lifestyle. Some people take it even further with a modified O-shape that includes a fourth wing with a breezeway or gate entrance. This creates a fully enclosed courtyard that's completely private from all sides. You drive through a gated entrance into your courtyard, park under a carport, and your entire property feels like a compound. For those who want shop space, you can integrate it beautifully. One wing becomes your workshop with bay doors facing outward for equipment access, while the interior side opens to the courtyard. You get functional shop space without sacrificing the aesthetic or privacy of your courtyard living area. The roof design can vary. You might do a simple gable roof on each wing, creating distinct sections, or you could use a hip roof design that flows around the entire structure. Some builders even create a covered walkway or colonnade, connecting the wings around the courtyard perimeter, giving you protected outdoor circulation. Real-world cost breakdown. All right, let's talk numbers, because I know that's what you're really wondering. Is an O-shape barndominium more expensive than a traditional rectangle? Yes. But is it worth it? That depends on what you value. The cost increase comes from three main factors. First, you're building more exterior walls. A rectangle has 4 walls. A U-shape has 6 exterior wall sections, plus the interior courtyard-facing walls. More walls mean more framing, more siding, more insulation. Second, the roofline is more complex. Instead of one simple roof over a rectangle, you're dealing with multiple roof sections that need to connect properly. Valleys, intersections, and transitions require more labor and expertise. Third, the foundation footprint is larger for the same square footage. A 3,000 square foot rectangle might be 50 by 60. A 3,000 square foot U-shape might span 70 by 80, including the courtyard, meaning more concrete, more site prep, more everything. Here's a realistic breakdown for a 3,200 square foot U-shaped barndominium in 2026. The shell cost, including framing, siding, roofing, and end walls, runs approximately $80,000 to $120,000. That's higher than a rectangular shell of the same square footage, which might run $65,000 to $95,000. You're paying a premium of about $15,000 to $25,000 for the shape complexity. Foundation costs for the larger footprint run $28,000 to $42,000 compared to $22,000 to $34,000 for a compact rectangle. Interior finishing at 3,200 square feet with mid-range selections costs $190,000 to $260,000. The courtyard itself, if you're doing a pool, outdoor kitchen, and landscaping, adds another $40,000 to $80,000. Total turnkey cost for a quality U-shaped barndominium with courtyard comes to approximately $340,000 to $520,000, or about $106 to $162 per square foot. A comparable rectangular barndominium with similar finishes might run $280,000 to $420,000. So yes, you're paying more, but here's the perspective shift. You're not just getting a house, you're getting a completely unique living experience with private outdoor resort features that would cost way more to replicate with a traditional home, plus separate pool house and outdoor kitchen setup, the honest advantages. Let me break down why people absolutely love O-shaped barndominiums when they experience them. The indoor-outdoor living is unmatched. Every major room in your home opens to the courtyard. You're not walking through the house and out a back door to reach your outdoor space. You're constantly connected to it. Morning coffee on the courtyard patio, cooking in the kitchen with doors open to the outdoor dining area, evening relaxation in the master suite with direct courtyard access. The natural light is incredible because you have windows and doors facing the courtyard from multiple wings. Light floods in from different angles throughout the day. You're never dealing with dark interior rooms or spaces that feel closed off. Privacy is a massive advantage. Your courtyard is completely shielded from neighbors, street traffic, and outside views. You can swim, sunbathe, entertain, or just relax without worrying about being seen. It's your own private sanctuary. The separation of spaces works beautifully for families or multi-generational living. Guests can stay in one wing with their own entrance and bathroom access. Kids can have their wing. The master suite can be completely separate. Everyone has privacy, but you're all connected through the central courtyard. Property value and uniqueness matter too. O-shaped barndominiums are rare. When you go to sell, you're not competing with every other rectangular barndo on the market. You've got something distinctive that attracts buyers looking for luxury, privacy, and resort-style living. The entertaining possibilities are endless. Your courtyard becomes the ultimate party space. Covered areas for dining, open areas for mingling, pool for swimming, outdoor kitchen for cooking. Your guests circulate through indoor and outdoor spaces seamlessly. The honest challenges. Now let's keep it real, because O-shaped designs aren't perfect for everyone. The cost is legitimately higher. If your budget is tight, a rectangular layout makes more financial sense. You're paying a premium for the shape, and you need to be comfortable with that investment. The building complexity requires experienced contractors. Not every builder understands how to properly connect multiple wings, manage roof valleys, and ensure water drainage works correctly. You need someone who's built complex residential structures, not just basic rectangles. Heating and cooling can be less efficient. A compact rectangle has less exterior surface area, losing heat or gaining it in summer. Your O-shape has more walls exposed to the elements, potentially increasing energy costs. Quality insulation and HVAC zoning become even more important. The courtyard requires maintenance. You're not just maintaining a house, you're maintaining landscaping, possibly a pool, outdoor kitchens, and all the features that make the courtyard special. If you're not into yard work or hiring maintenance help, this could become a burden. Zoning and permits can be trickier. Some jurisdictions have setback requirements that make U or O-shaped layouts difficult on smaller lots. You need adequate property size to accommodate the footprint without violating codes. Furniture placement and room layout requires more thought. The wings create distinct zones, but they also mean you're working with potentially unusual room shapes where walls meet. Standard rectangular furniture arrangements might not work as well. Resale market considerations matter. In rural barndominium-friendly areas, unique designs can be a selling point. In conservative suburban markets, unusual layouts might limit your buyer pool. Know your market before building. Is the O-shape right for you? Here's how to know if an O-shape barndominium makes sense for your situation. This design is perfect for you if you value indoor-outdoor living and want to maximize your connection to outdoor spaces. If you spend time on patios, by pools, in gardens, or entertaining outside, this design multiplies those opportunities. If you have a larger budget and want something truly unique, the O-shape delivers. You're not building just another rectangular box, you're creating a statement property that stands out. If you're building in a warm climate where outdoor living is year-round, the courtyard becomes a true extension of your home rather than just a seasonal feature. States like Texas, Arizona, California, Florida, and the southern tier are ideal. If you need separation between family zones for multi-generational living, home office privacy, or guest accommodation, the wing layout provides natural boundaries without feeling disconnected. If you own a larger lot with room to spread out, you can take full advantage of the footprint without fighting setback restrictions. This might not be for you if you're on a tight budget and need maximum square footage for minimum cost. Rectangles win on pure efficiency. If you're building in a cold climate where outdoor living is limited to a few months, the courtyard investment might not pay off in daily use. If you're in an area with restrictive zoning or small lots, the footprint might not be feasible. If you want the absolute simplest build process with minimal contractor coordination, stick to basic shapes, making it happen in 2026. If you're seriously considering an O-shaped barndominium, here's your action plan. Start with your property. You need adequate lot size, typically at least an acre, to accommodate the footprint, plus setbacks and utility easements. Work with a designer or architect experienced in courtyard homes. Show them examples of U-shaped and O-shaped layouts you like. Discuss your lifestyle priorities, budget, and must-have features. Get multiple contractor quotes specifically for complex layouts. Ask about their experience with multi-wing designs, roof valley construction, and courtyard integration. Don't hire someone who's only built basic rectangles. Plan your courtyard features early. Pool, outdoor kitchen, fire pit, covered dining. These need to be part of your initial design, not afterthoughts, because they affect utilities, drainage, and overall layout. Budget realistically for the premium. Plan for 15 to 25% higher costs than a comparable rectangular build. Build in contingency funds for the unexpected complexity that always arises. Consider phasing if needed. Build the main wing first as a functional home. Add additional wings later as budget allows. The U-shape can start as an L-shape and expand. The O-shape barndominium represents everything exciting about the Barndo movement. It takes the affordability and durability of metal building construction and pushes it into luxury custom design territory. You're not limited to basic rectangles. You can create resort-style living, private courtyards, and architectural statements that rival traditional high-end homes. Yes, it costs more. Yes, it requires more planning and better contractors. But for the right person, on the right property, with the right budget, an O-shape barndominium delivers a living experience that's genuinely special. You wake up every day in a home that feels like a vacation retreat. Your courtyard becomes the center of family life, entertaining, and daily relaxation. Barndominiums have always been about breaking the rules and doing things differently. The O-shape takes that philosophy and runs with it. It says that affordable metal building construction doesn't mean boring boxes. It means possibility, creativity, and designing exactly the life you want to live. If you're intrigued by O-shaped designs, drop a comment below and let me know what features you'd include in your dream courtyard. Would you go with a pool, outdoor kitchen, fire pit lounge, gardens? I want to hear your vision. And if you found this breakdown valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest content about barndominium designs that go beyond the ordinary. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.